Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Chromecast is powered and the TV is on the correct HDMI input. Next, make sure your Android device and Chromecast use the same Wi-Fi network. Mismatched networks block discovery. Open the Google Home app and grant location and network permissions so the device can scan. This is required for setup. Once the app detects a new Chromecast, tap Setup Device and follow the short on Screen Pairing, prompts to claim the device and move to network configuration. Once you tap through pairing, verify the 4-digit code shown in the Google Home app matches the code on your TV. This prevents cross-setup. Then choose the Wi-Fi network for Chromecast. If signal or compatibility is an issue, try the 4 GHz band instead of 5 GHz and enter the password carefully. Make sure to link your Google account and allow location access for regional services. The app may download a firmware update, so leave the device connected until the update completes. To cast, open a supported app like YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. The content should appear on the TV. For full screen mirroring from Android, open the quick settings and use Cast or Screencast. Make sure your device supports mirroring. If playback is choppy or discovery fails, reboot your router, restart Android, and power cycle the Chromecast, then retry. Also verify both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi and that no VPN or firewall is blocking local network traffic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.